Within the retail industry, many challenges present themselves. These involve managing assets, freshness of food, the shopping experience, but also the health and work conditions of employees. The FCL Components IoT solutions can be of assistance. FCL Components IoT-based hardware utilizes the cutting-edge wireless protocol called Wire Pass Mesh and supports a full range of useful functions like environment monitoring, asset management, smart lighting, and indoor navigation. The solutions contribute to efficient use of assets, creating the best shopper experience, the freshest fruits and vegetables, and the healthiest work environment. Using Wire Pass Mesh has 3 advantages. First, there is no limitation on the network scale. The network can be expanded unlimitedly by just adding router nodes. Turn on the devices and they automatically join the network. Second, low installation cost. One gateway covers one whole floor. There is no need for cabling as the tags, routers and sensors are battery operated. Third, autonomy in the network. The network takes care of itself. Without central supervision, it avoids interference, recovers from lost communication, and adjusts transmission power. In the retail industry, there is a continuous drive for improvements that can benefit the business processes and the consumer shopping experience. Battery-operated anchors are fixed on the wall without any wiring, creating a wireless mesh network that will be the backbone of the asset tracking system. Assets are tagged, and its real-time location is displayed on a screen. Tracking forklifts, transportation units, handheld terminals, office laptops, and other assets can help to keep an eye on belongings, as well as to provide insight on its use and location. Environment management is an important factor. Temperature levels, humidity, and noise levels can have an effect on our health, alertness, working efficiency, and mood. Monitoring lighting, barometric pressure, temperature, and humidity helps optimize food preservation and simultaneously provide that enjoyable shopping experience. Smart lighting can provide the right lighting settings to match the functionality of the space or time of day. It can help to prevent illumination, influencing food conditions. The occupancy sensors can dim lights in areas when there is no more use, making smart lighting considerably more sustainable than conventional lighting. Obtain insight in peak hours and traffic flow by equipping shopping baskets and carts with tags. The IoT solutions of FCL Components contribute to many of the challenges in the retail environment.